started the boys' bedroom a while ago, but there were still loads of little jobs that had never quite been finished, and it had been bothering me for ages. We actually made this room this time last year when my youngest was only 2 and he hadn't even slept in here before. And you know when there are those little jobs in a room that you keep meaning to do but somehow never get around to? That was definitely this room. The paint on the drawers were really scratched. The den felt unfinished. And there are a few bits that just needed some love. I thought I'd start with an easy win and repaint the drawers because they were looking very worse for wear. I always forget how satisfying fresh paint is. I also wanted to finish painting the radiator cover because it's been on my to-do list forever. But the thing I was most excited to finally sort out was the den. The boys already love this little space, but I really wanted to make it feel more magical. I chose some fairy lights that had a plug and a switch, as I want the boys to be able to use them really easily. I used some Velcro to attach the switch right at the entrance so they can turn the light on before they go in. I'm reusing these faux plant panels we got from IKEA a few years ago, and I'm just stapling it to the wooden frame. Then I use masking tape to hold the lights in place, as I want them to poke through so that they give enough light in the space. I honestly loved how this turned out. It feels so much cozier. I know they're only little for such a short time, so I love creating spaces that feel imaginative and magical while they still enjoy things like this. Then my favourite part, bringing the space together. I made sure to give everything a really good clean too. I always use a bit of blue tack to hold frames straight. There's still a few things left to do in here, but it already feels so much nicer and more finished. I'm really trying to slowly make our home feel more cosy, fun and functional. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for another little room update.